auto mode. Next stop, Moy Road. Attention passengers, there is a train laying down at the next stop. There will be a slight delay. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your cooperation. This is the D6th Avenue Brighton Express. The next stop will be 151st Street, Yankee Stadium. 151st Street, Yankee Stadium. Change here for the number